Hey, I'm Joey from Enchanted Gardens. Today we're going to talk about some cold tolerant evergreen shrubs that are great to plant this time of year in the winter. First we have Abelia. There are several types of Abelia. Depending on the variety, they'll either have a white bloom or a pink bloom, and they bloom for a really long period of time for an evergreen shrub. They'll start blooming in June and bloom all the way through the summer through October. There are also lots of varieties of loropetalum. Depending on the variety, they'll get anywhere from 2 feet to 10 feet tall. These are the ones that have the burgundy foliage throughout the season or throughout the year, and then the little pink flowers in the springtime. There are the micron holly and dwarf yaupon holly. These are great bulletproof shrubs, very cold tolerant that can take the coldest winter, very heat tolerant also once they get established. Nandinas are always good for fall color, especially in the wintertime, but some of the varieties have color all year round. Depending on the variety, they'll get anywhere from 2 to 6 feet tall. Here we have the sunshine ligustrum. This is a type of ligustrum, even though it doesn't look like one, has that lime green foliage year round. They'll get 5 or 6 feet tall. Great for a small privacy screen or a hedge. Very cold tolerant, also very heat tolerant, and pretty much insect and disease free. Get these plants planted in the winter time. That way they have all winter to get some roots established before the heat of next summer comes along.